Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about German grammar, which is also part of my beginner's course where you learn German by following a story. And today's topic are the personal pronouns and their cases. So let's get started. If you will remember, we had already a video where I explained you the cases. So we have here nominative, which is the subject of the sentence. That means the person or thing who performing the action. Okay. Then let's see how is the personal pronoun in first person in nominative. And here we have ich. I, ich. That's nominative. And the color here is always green. So let's see an example. Ich arbeite. I work. Here we have ich as a subject and arbeite is the verb, and the subject has an influence on the ending, and therefore we use also the green color for the ending of the verb. And you see the background color of the image is green because it's a regular verb. So how does it change when we have the personal pronoun in first person in accusative? Remember, accusative is the direct object. So it receives directly the action of the verb. So let's see what happens here. Mich, it's me. And let's see an example here as well. Der Mann trifft mich. The man meets me. In this case, mich, me, is the direct object because it's directly receiving the action of the verb, treffen. Der Mann trifft mich. You have a red background color here because treffen in this case is irregular, so therefore the red background color. And you see in the image the subject is green and accusative is blue. So, but there's one more case, dative. In this moment we're talking about the indirect object, and the indirect object receives the benefits or damage of the action. So let's see how the pronoun is here in dative case. Mir. In English would be also me, but here is mir. Let's see an example. Der Mann hilft mir. The man helps me. So here actually it's dative, mir, because I receive actually a benefit of the action of the man because he helps me. So therefore dative case. So let's see what happens in second person. In second person the pronoun in nominative is du. For example, du arbeitest, you work, du. And accusative, dich. Der Mann trifft dich. The man meets you. And in dative case, any idea? What do you guess? Yes. Der Mann hilft dir. The man helps you, so the pronoun is here dir. So let's jump now in third person. Okay, in third person, the nominative for he would be er. Er arbeitet. In accusative, it changes to der Mann trifft ihn. So we have here, him is ihn. And in dative case, der Mann hilft ihm with an M. Okay, so here be careful, accusative ihn, in dative case ihm. In English it's the same, it's him and him, but in German it changes. So let's see the neuter. In this case, es arbeitet, for example, das Mädchen, in German it's neuter, so es arbeitet. In accusative it would be der Mann trifft es, so there's no change, it's still es. Der Mann trifft es, the man meets it. And in dative case there is a change, der Mann hilft ihm. The man helps it, but it's der Mann hilft ihm because it's dative case. And the feminine one, sie arbeitet, she works. In accusative, no change. Der Mann trifft sie, here still sie. And in dative case, der Mann hilft ihr. The man helps her. So this is the singular. So let's jump into the plural. So let's see the first person in plural. Hier ist wir arbeiten, okay? We work, wir arbeiten. Accusativ, der Mann trifft uns, no? Us, uns. No? And dative, the same. Der Mann hilft uns. No? The man helps us. In second person, no? We have ihr. No? You all, no? Guys, ihr. Ihr arbeitet. And in Accusativ, der Mann trifft euch. No? The man meets you all. No? Trifft euch. In dative case, the same. Der Mann hilft euch. So a little bit easier in the plural, no? But here euch. So in third person, we have for they, sie. Sie arbeiten. In Accusativ, der Mann trifft sie. And in dative, der Mann hilft ihnen. It's quite similar to the feminine third person in singular, but be careful in dative, no, we have ihnen here, okay? And we have also a formal way in German, no? It doesn't matter if I talk to one person or two or more, no? We have here sie and it's every time capitalized, so sie arbeiten in a formal way. An accusative would be der Mann trifft sie, no? Also you, formal way, and in dative, der Mann hilft ihnen, no? But be careful, it's every time capitalized, so we know it's the formal speech. Yeah, and this is the table about the personal pronouns and their cases, so get used to it, every time get a good example to remember. And that's everything for today, and please remember, grammar is always optional, okay? So you should focus on listening to German and speaking and everything related to use your German language. Thank you very much, and I see you soon with the next video.